Welcome. We're diving into a really critical guide for senior management, and it's all based on a report from Virtualization Options LLC. Now, this guide, it challenges a core assumption in corporate security, the idea that annual training is, good enough. We're going to explore why, especially in the age of AI, that whole mindset has shifted from being a simple compliance checkbox to, frankly, a dangerous liability.
So we're going to break down the business risks that their research brought to light. And look, the key takeaway is this. The old way of doing security training, it isn't just failing to keep up, it's actively putting your organization, your customers, and even your partners right in the line of fire.
Let's start with a number, $4.45 million. Think about that. According to IBM, that was the average cost of a single data breach back in 2023. And believe me, that number is climbing fast. So what in the world is driving this incredibly expensive trend?
Well, the answer is that the entire threat landscape has just fundamentally changed. We are in a completely new era now, one where AI-powered attacks move faster, they adapt quicker, and they are so much more sophisticated than the traditional defenses most companies are still relying on.
Okay, so here's how we're going to walk through this. First, we'll define this new era of risk and look at exactly why that old annual training model is falling so short. Then, we'll trace the ripple effect across all your key stakeholders. And finally, we'll get into what a modern defense and a new standard of diligence really needs to look like. So, first things first, we have to get our heads around the fact that cybersecurity is now an AI arms race. Seriously, it's not a static battlefield anymore. It's this rapidly evolving conflict between AI-powered attackers and, well, us.
And the bad guys are using AI to exploit the weakest link in any security chain, your people. We're talking about hyper-personalized phishing emails that are almost impossible to spot, malware that literally rewrites itself to avoid being detected, and this huge surge in deepfakes used to trick employees into sending money or giving up credentials. The speed of these attacks is it's completely unprecedented. Okay, so, faced with this new reality, how are most companies defending themselves? The unfortunate answer is, they're using a dangerously outdated model that gives everyone a totally false sense of security.
That traditional once-a-year training session, it's what the report calls compliance theater. It's just for show. The content is stale almost the minute it's created. It's totally generic, not tailored to what different people do in the company. And the worst part? Studies show that we humans forget most of it within a few weeks, leaving your organization wide open for the rest of the year.
This slide really just lays it all out, doesn't it? It shows the massive shift we're talking about. We're moving away from this static, one-size-fits-all event and toward a dynamic, continuous process. The goal isn't just to check a box for the auditors anymore, it's about driving real, actual behavioral change that you can measure and that reduces your risk. All right, now let's talk about how this internal problem creates a huge external one. Because, inadequate training isn't just an internal issue. It creates this dangerous ripple effect that spreads across your entire business ecosystem. And that first ripple? It hits your customers. Hard. Their trust is completely your responsibility, and when your training is weak, you're putting them directly in the line of fire.
So let's be super clear on this. When an employee clicks on the wrong link, it's not just some small IT incident. It's the potential exposure of their personal information, their PII. It's a direct hit to your brand's reputation, and it can trigger massive fines under privacy laws like GDPR in Europe or CCPA in California. Oh, and don't forget the incredibly expensive class action lawsuits that always follow.
And here's where things are changing. Your smart enterprise customers, they're not just taking your word for it anymore. They are now actively auditing their vendors' training programs as a standard part of their own due diligence. They want to see proof that you have a modern, continuous defense in place. Next up, that ripple spreads to your partners and your whole supply chain. In our super-connected world, your security weakness can instantly become their business-ending crisis. It's that serious.
A single compromised password from one of your employees can act like a master key, unlocking the systems of dozens of your partners. This leads to something the report calls reputational contagion, where your failure infects everyone you do business with. Suddenly, you're looking at contractual liabilities and massive operational disruptions for everyone.
Because of all that, the maturity of a partner's security training is now a huge indicator of their overall security posture. If you find out a potential partner is only doing annual training, that should be a major red flag during any review, right up there with a bad SOC 2 report.
And finally, that ripple washes up on the shore of your investors.
This risk translates directly into material financial and governance exposure. We're talking about things that impact valuation, stock price, and even personal liability for the board.
Let's be crystal clear here. Inadequate training is not an IT department issue anymore. With the new SEC disclosure rules and the constant threat of lawsuits, it is a board-level governance failure. It directly hits shareholder value. And this is the really scary part, it creates growing personal liability for the directors and officers themselves. You just can't ignore this risk. Smart investors should now be demanding to see the numbers, the metrics that show a real reduction in human-caused breaches. Honestly, the difference between an annual check-the-box program and a continuous adaptive defense is one of the clearest signals you can get of proactive risk management versus, well, reactive negligence.
So, with all this risk piling up, what's the solution? Look, it's not about just doing more of the same old thing. It's about moving to a truly modern, adaptive system of defense, one that is auditable, measurable, and actually effective.
This right here is the new model, Continuous AI-Driven Training. It's a system that treats your people not as liabilities, but as a critical, intelligent security layer. It delivers personalized, just-in-time coaching that adapts in real time to new threats and to what individual employees are doing, building a truly resilient human firewall.
This fundamental shift, moving from a once-a-year event to a continuous program, it establishes a new, and I'd argue legally necessary, standard of care. It's how an organization moves from a position of liability to one of genuine assurance.
This quote really just nails the core takeaway from the entire report. Your choice of training program isn't just some operational detail anymore. It is a direct proxy for your entire organization's risk profile and its governance maturity. It's the question every single one of your stakeholders should be asking. And that brings us to the final, critical question that every single leader needs to be asking themselves. In this new era of AI-driven threats, is your security training program a genuine defense, or is it simply auditable negligence? The answer to that question could very well define your organization's resilience and its liability for years to come.